In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Canva on Windows 10 or 11 PC. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.canva.com/download/Windows. Press enter. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Canva. From here, you'll be able to download the Canva app. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option, download Canva for Windows. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, download will start automatically. You can see over here, Canva setup is being downloaded. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here, Canva setup has been downloaded. What you have to do is simply click on this open icon. Once you do that, you can see over here, Canva setup will be opened. You can see over here, Canva is being installed. Simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here, Canva application has been downloaded. Log into your account and you'll be able to use the Canva application in PC. So like this, you'll be able to install and use the Canva. So that is how you install Canva on Windows 10 or 11 PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.